Let's install the GoPro 7. Switch on. Regional GPS is on. Start recording. Make sure GPS icon is solid white, not gray like this one. Copy your video from your GoPro camera using GoPro Quick, or by just copying GoPro to where your GoPro folder when you installed GoPro Quick. Just go to hard disk C, users, pictures, and GoPro. Just open the folder for the hero block. This is the video. What I did was I copied it already before. Open GoPro Quick, right click the shortcut icon, run with the graphics processor, integrated graphics, if you're using a mid-range laptop, it will not start properly like mine. Just try to refresh or restart your laptop. Once you're on a GoPro Quick, go to settings, and click scan. My video is already there. Go back to the video and double click on the video. Now let's remove first stickers I put before. And save. Go to stickers icon. Let's try GoPro logo and press save. Drag it anywhere in the size you prefer. Info cluster, save. I did not set the time on my GoPro camera correctly before I make a video. Speed tracker, save. drag the size you want, and the GPS path, press save. Go back to the stickers icon, speedometer, save. And the last one, G-force, and save. You can do it all at once if you like. Adjust the position to your preferred location, and you can do it all at once. To save, you need to press the cut icon, wait to load your video, make sure these both bars are on both ends of your video, and click save. And save again. Wait for about 10 to 20 minutes depending on your video size. And as per GoPro, you can add GPS stickers from GoPro Hero 5 up to latest model. I just forwarded the saving process. Now it's done. Back to media. Now it's done. Right click on the video, show explorer, copy, and paste it on your desktop. So you can easily find the video. Okay, let's close the GoPro Quick. Now let's watch the short video. Thank you for watching. Till next time.